Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Alright, today we're making American Goulash. It's pure comfort food, hearty, nostalgic, and perfect for a busy weeknight. Another recipe inspired by Chef John. This dish stretches simple ingredients into a rich, satisfying one-pot meal the whole family will love. Loaded with seasoned ground beef, onions, garlic, tomatoes, marinara, and tender elbow macaroni. This American-style goulash is not Hungarian goulash, but its own iconic comfort dish. It's easy, budget-friendly, and incredibly flavorful. Okay, first we're gonna dice up one large onion. And we're gonna mince up 4 cloves of garlic. And then shred 1 cup of white cheddar cheese. We're gonna heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. And we're going to add the onions and the ground beef to the pot. We're going to cook that, breaking up the beef into small pieces until it's browned and all the liquid evaporates. Now we're going to stir in the garlic, the salt, pepper, cayenne, paprika, Italian seasonings, and the bay leaves. We're going to cook that for 3 minutes. Then we're going to add the chicken broth, the diced tomatoes, and the marinara sauce. We're going to rinse the marinara jars with the water and pour that in too. Then we're going to stir that in. Then we're going to add in the soy sauce. We're going to stir that in, bring it up to a simmer, then reduce the heat and simmer that for about 30 minutes. Then we're going to increase the heat a little bit and add in our macaroni, and we'll simmer that until just tender, about 10 to 12 minutes. Now we're going to remove that from the heat and discard the bay leaves and stir in the parsley and the cheddar cheese. Now we're going to cover that and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to serve that up and garnish it with a little bit of sour cream and some green onions. So there you go, American Goulash. Enjoy. Okay, some variations on this. You can swap the water for more chicken broth if you like, or you can add beans to turn this into a pasta fazool style dish. Leftovers are great the next day. The flavors improve. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.